Sorry? Good morning internet, it is 7:20 in the morning and welcome back to the channel. I am here in Twijfelfontein, and if you've been watching the last couple of episodes then you know that I was chasing these desert elephants. Well, last night they came to visit the lodge here and they have been digging around there and they destroyed some of the water pipes, so I couldn't shower this morning. But anyway, besides that, yesterday afternoon, so after I basically ended the last video, I went on a game drive and I just want to show you some of that footage. Okay, I'm now going to join a game drive that they're going to do from the lodge here. This would be my only shot, I think, to see the desert elephants if they're still somewhere around here. Because if I go with Savannah, these elephants are not used to motorcycles and it will most likely completely freak them out. So trying to go and see these wild elephants on Savannah is not the best idea. And I just inquired here in the lodge and they were like, yeah, this afternoon there's going to be a game drive so you can join if you want. So just going to see them, fingers crossed, that we get to see some desert elephants. Look, elephant. Oh yeah, there, yeah. Look at it. Wow, gorgeous. How cool is this? And they have very large feet, much bigger than normal elephants. Oh, he's coming so close. Wow. Well, that was just magical. I can't believe I finally found them because I've been looking for them for quite a while and every time they were already gone. And now I've seen 2 desert elephants. Fantastic. So yesterday afternoon it was just absolutely magical, and then, well, last night the elephants came again, so they are still in the area, so maybe today when I ride out of here maybe I'll see them again, who knows. Anyway, I'll show you what the plan is for today. I want to ride today to a place which is a little bit south of Zesfontein over here. So I'm just going to, I think, follow this road past Palm and then end up somewhere here, which is about 200 kilometers. Let's go! Keep your eyes peeled for elephants. This is the airstrip here, so you can also just fly in here with your private jet if you have one. I see there is already a queue at the only petrol station in quite a big area. Good morning. How are you?
Fine.
Good. Full, please.
Okay.
This one and then also these two.
Okay.
Yeah, that's enough. Yeah, yeah. Thank you. Bye. Right. Filled up on petrol, both my extra bladders as well. Now I can really go. Look, some more elephant droppings. They are somewhere here again. Does he come from and where is he going? I have no idea. There's absolutely nothing here. Wow. These mountains are amazing. I had no idea it was so mountainous here. I have been seeing quite a lot of elephant droppings again. And also another animal pooped on top. These don't look super fresh though. And see here you can see elephant footprint. But these footprints look quite old. You see lots of other prints on top. So there have been elephant here, but I think a little while ago. See, the footprints just continue all the way here. So one elephant has been walking just on the side of the road here. I have reached Palmbach and I should fill up on petrol here, because after this there isn't any petrol station for the next 270 kilometers. Because I'm not planning to go to Zesfontein, so that means I have to fill up here. Oh yeah, there's also a checkpoint here. I think they check for food. You're not allowed to bring eggs with you. Well, I don't have any eggs, so. Hi.
How are you?
I'm good. How are you?
Fine, fine. Where are you going? Come.
I'm going to Koarip.
Who are it?
Yeah.
Okay.
Sorry?
Who are it?
Yes.
Yeah, okay. 2 nights, 1 night?
2 nights.
2 nights.
And then I continue north to Epupa.
Oh, okay.
Yeah.
Oh. Hello. How are you?
Good, and you?
Very good.
Oh,
Where are you riding?
to Koarip.
Who are it? Okay.
Yes.
Still 80 kilos.
Yes. I can fill up in the petrol station here.
Nyama kayo mo? Kamu na nyama o sini siya?
Sorry? There's somebody?
Yeah, there is somebody.
Okay, perfect. Okay, cool.
Okay.
Thanks. See you. Well, I can fill up. This checkpoint has to do something with disease control of livestock. Ah, looks pretty good. Good morning.
Petrol, diesel.
Petrol. Yeah.
Change.
Cash. Yes.
Yeah, but I don't have change.
You don't have change. Nothing.
Yeah.
Little bit.
Little bit. 40. $7.
How much is this?
Yeah.
20 40.
So 100.
Ah, there.
100.
Oh no, this is 200. Okay, give me this. Then it's your lucky day, okay?
Yeah. Thank you very much. Yeah. See you next time.
Sorry?
See you next time.
See you next time, yes. Bye. Right. 77 kilos left to Koarip, which is where I'm planning to stay the night. Okay, I'm going into the gorge here. This is the Koarip Gorge. Hi. Oh, no entry. Hey, goatees. Okay, I got a room. Alright, so this is the room where I will be staying. It is pretty cool, look. I have an outside area here, overlooking the small river here. Very nice, but actually I also want to show you the bathroom, because the bathroom is pretty awesome. Look, it's outside. It is completely outside. The shower, sink, it's got everything. That was it for today. It was a pretty relaxed ride, nice scenery. I just really enjoyed it. And this is a really nice place to stay for a night or two. So that was it for today. I really hope you liked this video. If you did, please give me a big thumbs up and subscribe down below. And then I'll see you in the next video.